So hello and welcome guys in this lecture video. So from today we are starting a new chapter of 12th standard mathematics. So guys, let's start the video. So basically we are starting a unit 2 which is decided by the CBSE is called algebra, and we will start first of all chapter 1 which is called the matrices. So first of all guys, wanted to say just one thing that if you don't know about the syllabus part, so I wanted to say that please go to the previous one video and I will give the link of that video in the description. So check out the syllabus part first, and after that you should cover this one. So basically if you will see the unit 2 topics are decided topics are met in the matrix is first of all concept, notation, order, equality, types of matrices, zero identity matrices, transpose, symmetric, skew symmetric, multiplication, difference operation we will see. Regarding this scalar multiplication we will also see that. So concept of elementary row and column operations. So there are different type of topics in matrices, so we will see regarding. So first of all I think so that you should see the overview of this video, that what different type of topics we will cover in this video. So basically first of all we will see that what is the concept of the matrix, we will see this. After that we will move on the notation, and in the last part of this video we will see that what is the order of the matrix, what is the meaning by this, and in the end we will see one example regarding this also. This one was all the overview part, so let's start the topic. So first of all, concept. What is the concept? So basically guys, the evaluation of concept of matrices is the result of an attempt to obtain compact and simple methods of solving system of linear equation. So guys, linear equation, as you already know about it, what is are the linear equations. So matrices are not only used as a representation of the coefficient in system of linear equation, but utility of matrices for exceeds that use. So example of linear equation are guys 6x plus 9y minus 12 is equal to 0. So these are the example of linear equation. So guys, this slide says just one thing, that if a metric can be used as a, if we wanted to solve the linear equations, we have some system of linear equation. As you can see in the this example, if we have some linear equation system, then we can solve that by matrix. So this is the basically use of the matrix. So this one was all about the concept part. So I think let's move on the guys, that example first. Suppose guys we wish to express the information that Radha has a 15 notebooks. We may express it as a 15, and here if you are seeing a brackets, this called a notation of the matrix. So this is all about, suppose we wish to express the information that Radha has 15 notebooks, so we can express by this, with understanding that the number of inside this bracket is the number of notebooks that Radha has. Now if we wanted to express that Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens, we may express it like this, with the understanding that first number inside the bracket is the number of notebooks and second one is the number of pens. So this one was all about the notation part. So guys, example of matrix, basically you so guys, as you are seeing here, we have a two matrix. First of all matrix A, and after that matrix B. So first of all let's see on the guys that matrix A. As you are seeing here guys, some elements are there in the matrix. So basically you should know about just a few things: row and column. Now you should know about it, what is meaning of row and column. You can learn by this that horizontal line you are seeing here, second horizontal line you are also seeing here, this one called a row. You can say that this is a row 1, and you can say this one is row 2. And if you see some vertical lines, vertical line number 1, this one 2, and this one third, you can say that these three lines are nothing but column 1, column 2, and column 3. So this one was about the example of number 1 matrix A. And I think so that now guys you are crystal clear about the matrix B. It's a similar regarding that matrix A. You are also seeing that there are two horizontal lines called row 1 and row 2, and three vertical lines, column 1, column 2, and column 3. So I think now it is clear guys that what is the concept, example. I think all these things are now crystal clear. So first of all, now we should move on the last part of this video, that order of the matrix, very important part. And in the examination then you can also find some question regarding this one. So it's a base of this chapter, you should clear regarding this. So guys, order of matrix. Suppose guys, a matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n, or simply m cross n matrix. So referring to the above example of matrix, we have, suppose A has a 3 cross 2 matrix, B has 3 cross 3 matrix, and guys in the end we have a matrix C1 which one has a 2 cross 3 matrix. We observe one thing guys, A1 has, if you multiply the rows number and column 1, you will find 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So what is the result of this? It means if you have any matrix of any order, suppose 3 into 2 order, 3 cross 2 order, you can say that this element gonna to be 6 elements. After that B and C have 9 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6, so 6 elements. This one was all about the orders. So now guys, here are some standard form, or you can say a standard example of matrix. So another one thing also, in the standard form we can represent that Aij, this one will be defined that what element, this one will be defined the element part, and this one is the order. So if you are seeing here I and j, I will represent to the row and j will represent to the column. So just a basically very simple thing, I will always greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to this one, which one is a row, and j will always greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to this one, which is the column. And always I and j going to be belongs natural number. Suppose guys that we wanted to find ith row elements, so you can say, you can do just one thing, put in place of column 1 2 3 so on, you will find all the elements regarding ith row. If you wanted to find the ith element of first row, second row, or third row, you just put in place of I1. If you want a second row's element, you just put 2 in place of I. If you wanna to get the elements of the third of row, you just put in place of I3. So this one was if you wanna to the ith row elements, while the jth column consists of the elements A1j, A2j, A3j, same as before. In general, Aij is an element line in the ith row and jth column. We can also call it as ijth element of any matrix A. The number of elements I already told you guys will be m cross n. So this one was all about the order. Now guys, let's see example. So example that we have to construct a 3 cross 2 matrix. It means this matrix will be 6 elements whose elements are given by this equation. Aij is equal to 1 upon 2 modulus of I minus 3j. I think so that we should see the solution part of this example. So guys, first of all, Aij is equal to 1 upon 2 modulus of I minus k 3j. And guys, where I will equal to 1 2 3 and j will be equal to 1 and 2, because guys this one is row, this one is column. Row is equal to 1 2 3 and j will equal to 1 and 2. So now I think we have solved the 50% part of the question. Now it's very easy, you have to do some mathematical part. So guys, first of all, we wanted to take the elements of first row and first column, first row and second column. So just put in place of I1 and in place of J1, you will find this. Put I1 in place of I and put 2 in place of J, you will find this. And same as for all the elements. So now I think we have all the elements. Now we have done with it. So after that we solve. So in the end we have this one. So after that, when you will put all the values, you have this one matrix. So this one is the solution of that question. So guys, this one was all about this lecture. See you in the next one guys.